G'day guys and welcome back, and today we have another little will it run chainsaw project. This is a Stihl MS170, just a little basic entry-level saw. Came with these part saws that I bought. Nothing worth too much here, but the Stihl is probably still a nice saw and would definitely be worth getting going. Now I'm going to drag this thing around the front of the shed and see if I've got all the parts to put on it, including bar, chain, that kind of thing. But first I'm going to try to get it running. So I don't know if it has spark or compression, but let's see compression there. Yep, there's a bit there. So turns over, has compression. I will take the air filter off, dribble some fuel down the carb and see if we get anything to light off. So let's get straight into that. Next up is this Makita. I'm not as interested in this as I was the Stihl, because it's not one of those name brand expensive saws kind of thing, if you know what I mean. So I'm not going to spend much time on this if it doesn't run. I've already primed the fuel primer and there's fuel in there. It's a bit old, but it'll be good enough. But I'm going to chuck the parts that it's missing on, or at least the ones I can find, and see if it starts up. Hopefully it does. Alright, so now that these are running fairly well, I figured it's time we give them a little quick wash and put them up for sale. Obviously the Makita needs an air filter and a cover for that, but I'm not buying parts for it, I don't really want to. And the Stihl needs a new circlip and washer for the main gear in there, but I've got those on the way. They shouldn't be too long, and I'll be putting those up before I put it up for sale. As with a guard for the chain brake, I'll be looking for one of those before I put it up for sale too. So I'm going to give them a quick wash, and that'll be pretty much the end of that. So there we go, all washed up and looking a whole lot less dusty, dirty, grimy, anything like that. They're looking pretty good, but I'm going to let them dry off and put them up for sale. Obviously the Makita, the Stihl, when I get the parts I need for it. And obviously we've still got a heap of other projects on the go. We got that thing, that thing, that thing. Not that one so much, it's the parts bike. As always, there's that one as well. And if you'll come with me around the back, we have another couple of chainsaw projects I just picked up today that you'll be seeing soon as well. We have that little home light that came with them. It's just a little cheap kind of saw. Another MS170, which I will be trying to get running. And two other larger Stihls. This one, the tag is worn off it, but it's a 026. And this one here beside it is a 024, I believe. So we'll be getting those running, seeing if we can, if those bars will work on them. Got a heap of chains with them. But yeah, getting them running, tidying them up, sharpening the chains obviously. Just going through them mechanically like we usually do on here, if you guys know the channel, and going through that. I do need to clear some shelf space up there for them and try and sell some of those other bits. But nonetheless, that is what it is. So there's a little sneak peek for you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.